Okay, let's go inside the Wat Chuchang temple. So this is the entrance. I don't know if there is an entrance fee. So this is where we go. Wat Chuchang temple. So we will explore inside. We will just explore inside and then look for anything. Okay, so I don't know what's this mean because it's written in Thai and Chinese, but I need to remove my shoes again because this is a sacred place to them. So every sacred place here in Thailand need to remove the shoes. I remove my shoes. Wait. And then I go. So I don't have shoes. I just go inside. It's inside this. So this. Offerings here. So this is the place. Okay. You see. This is a Chinese place here in Thailand. This is a Chinese place. So let's see what's inside. Oh, they're building it. I think I cannot go upstairs. So just here only. Okay. So I'm going upstairs. Let us see what's up in there. So this is the second floor of the temple, the Wat Chuchang temple. So this is the second floor. Yes. Oh, very dim. Let's go upstairs. Let us see what's up. So this is the upstairs. This is the upstairs of the temple. Let's see what's behind. Okay. Oh, nothing here. So I think let's go inside. So this is what's inside the temple. You see that? You see. Okay. So may nagtitake ng picture. Ayan, so let's go here. Let's go outside. So, can I go outside? I think let's go outside. So this is the outside of the temple. Okay. I think let's go upstairs again. This is the outside of the temple. Let's go upstairs to see what's up in there. Oh, oh yes, this is beautiful. You see how beautiful it is. You see. You see the beauty. You see the beauty of the temple. This is the upper part of the temple. Okay. So we go upstairs to see what's up there. Oh, beautiful. You see this? Here is very beautiful. You see the beauty of the temple. This is very big. Oh yeah, this is very big. This is what the temple, I mean the rooftop of the temple. Yes. And this is what you see. How beautiful the temple is. Yeah. I watched this only on the video, but look at how beautiful it is. Yes, this is very beautiful. Yeah. I don't regret coming here because it's very beautiful here. You see the view? Although it's, I think will rain, but it's okay. Yeah. You see how it is. Let's go inside. This is what you see inside. Yeah. This is what you see inside the temple. Okay. This is what's inside the temple. Okay, I think I need to go down because it's raining. Yeah. Yeah, it's raining, it's raining. I will go down. Okay. So that is the upper part of this temple. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Okay. Let's go down. Okay, let's go down. Heavy raining here in Hat Yai, Thailand. Oh no. Oh no. Later I go. I hope it will stop before I go back to my hotel. Okay, so this is what's happening now in Thailand.